Hi everybody, I'm so excited because this lesson's gonna be really fun because it's the opposite of yesterday. Yesterday was adding fractions with the same denominator and today is subtracting fractions with the same denominator. And yesterday was great. We didn't have to worry about anything because our denominators were the same. And today, we do not have to worry about anything because our denominators are the same today. All right, so instead of adding, we're just gonna subtract. Not a problem. We're kings and queens of subtracting, right? JD, king of subtracting. Isa, Bethania, Lila, Eden, queens of subtracting. Okay, you guys have this. You guys and gals have this. But before we can begin, you must, in a colored pencil or crayon, put today's date and your name at the top of the page. Today, I'm practically purple, Miss Caitlin. Purple is a very practical color. May 6th. Ha! What if people really like Star Wars, but the dark side, so May the 4th be with you, is Star Wars Day for the light side, but May the 6th, like May the Sith be with you, is Star Wars Day for the dark side. Whoa! They don't even use lightsabers, it's just like, they're all deformed. It's just horrible looking. That's what the dark side does to you. No doubt. Okay. Oh, my name. I don't even need to see the bottom. I don't know why I did that. All right. Okay. So I have up here one A, B, and C, and one G, H, and I. Just like yesterday, I did not do all of the equations with you because you are elite geniuses and you can figure it out. I did some of the horizontal equations and I did some of the vertical equations. So that's what we're going to do today. All right, here we go. A green. Okay. So when your denominators are the same, you don't need to worry about anything, okay? So simply subtract your numerators and copy your denominator. Okay, 6 minus 4 is 2, very good, and then copy that denominator, which is 7. Very good, circle it to form a very good habit. Here we go. 10 and 10, your denominators are the same. You don't have to worry about anything. 9 minus 6 is 3, and then copy that denominator. We are breezing right through this. 15 and 15, denominators are the same. 11 minus 4 is 7. And then copy that denominator, 7/15. That's it, folks. Please do D, E, F right now. All right, moving on. Vertical equations, same dealio. 10 and 10 are your denominators, okay? So you don't have to worry about them. You simply subtract your numerators and then copy your denominators. 9 minus 2 is 7, very good. All over your denominator 10. Give it a big circle. Finito. 23 and 23, totally the same. 13 minus 9, 4. 4 is your numerator, and copy that denominator, and you're done. All right, 11 minus 4 is 7. All over that same denominator, 12. You're done. Except for J and K. JK, you're not done. You gotta do JK right now. All right, so do JK while I erase this, and we'll do our 2 word problems together. Okay, you should be done by now. A total of 376 people attended the wedding of Karen's sister. Well, that's a large wedding. Of that number, 1/4 of the people sat in a special section for relatives. How many people sat in the special section? Okay, I'm gonna do this in purple today. All right. 1/4 of the people. 1/4 of the people, and the people, the number of the people is 376. Now we've seen an equation like this before. This means this number divided by this number. That's it. You're just going to divide 1/4 of 376. So 376 divided by 4. 4 cannot go into 3, but 4 can go into 37. 4 times 9 is 36. 7 minus 6 is 1, and 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 is less than 4, then we can keep going. We'll bring down. 4 goes into 16. We know that. Our guess should be 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So the answer to 2A is 94 people sat in the special section. Wow, that's a lot of family members, but that might be like groom and bride. And so 94 divided by 2 is 47. So 47 for the groom and 47 for the bride. Yeah, I don't think I have 47 relatives. That's a big wedding. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, 2B. I'm getting hungry. Are you getting hungry? Go get yourself a snack. All right, 2B. Sally bought a dress that cost 4 times as much as her shoes, which cost $13.75. How much change did she get back from $75 after buying both the shoes and the dress? Oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff. Can we do it? 10-finger prayer, everybody. Put those 10 fingers up. No, my book! Oh, that was bad. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. I'm going to pick up my book now. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Lipstick. Okay. Okay, here we go. So, dress, she bought both the shoes and the dress. So both means add. So we need to purchase shoes and dress. Now JD, I'm pretty sure you're like, oh my gosh, what an annoying word problem. Okay, just imagine for you it's the suit and the shoes. The suit and the shoes, the dress and the shoes, okay? You're gonna buy suits in your day. All right, dress and shoes. Okay, so we know that the shoes cost $13.75. $13.75. And we know that the dress cost 4 times as much. That's a parentheses phrase. 4 times the shoes. All right, so we have to do what is inside the parentheses before we do the equation, okay? So over here, I'm going to stack it. $13.75 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15, and 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Ooh, that's a fancy dress. So now we know that the dress costs $55.00. Make sure your decimal points line up. Your ones place, your tens place, your hundreds place, your thousands place, okay? Okay, now we're going to put these together. All right, so 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. Bring down your decimal point. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 1 plus 5 is 6. Bring down your dollar sign. Final question. How much change did she get back from $75 after buying both the shoes and the dress? Change is a clue word for subtraction, okay? Change means subtraction. Change means subtraction. So we start with the bigger number, $75 minus $68.75. How much change did she get back from $75 after purchasing both the shoes and the dress? So 0 minus 5 can't be done because the top number is smaller than the bottom one. So I borrow from the 0. So I borrow from the 5 and turn it into 10 tens. 0 minus 5 can't be done because the top number is smaller than the bottom one. So I borrow from the 10 and turn it into 10 ones. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 8 can't be done because the top number is smaller than the bottom one. So I borrow from the 7, turn it into 10 ones. 14 minus 8 is 6. Bring down the decimal point. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring down my dollar sign. So the change she received was $6.25. She could go and get a burrito at my favorite taco place. Here we go. Sally received $6.25 in change. Fancy. Maybe she was going to the wedding and she wanted to be maybe Sally is the flower girl. Maybe Sally is the flower girl. I believe. I believe. All right, that's it for today. That brings us to your bright red review word, which means that's up to you. You have temperatures. Make sure to count by twos, making sure to copy the correct system. Fahrenheit, Celsius. Start committing to memory the 6 degree points that we need to memorize. In Fahrenheit, it's 32, 98.6, and 212. And in Celsius, it's 37. It's 0, 37, and 100. Okay, Miss Caitlin has to memorize them too. I'm going to work on it, okay? All right, have a great day. Now, stop the video.